We've given up some of the initial gains, but we're still looking to add 300 at the open on the Dow and 42 at the open for the S&P 500. Of course, we've been seeing this market whipped around by the volatility brought on by the war in Eastern Europe, and that includes retail investors. Joining us now to talk about the impact on that group, Thomas Peterffy, founder and chairman of Interactive Brokers. Thomas, great to have you with us. You've been a longtime market watcher. You're from this region. What's your initial take on these comments and the market reaction?
It would be wonderful if it were true. I don't know if it is. So I think that I think that Putin has a tight circle around him, and we have to exercise some pressure on that circle to make some of these people turn on him, and that pressure must come from the well-educated younger people who live in the large Russian cities. And so I don't necessarily think that it is a good idea to give up all communication and all corporations leaving Russia. I don't think that that's a good idea. I think that these people must feel that once Putin is gone, they will be welcome in the West instead of chasing them into China's arms.
Thomas, I want to switch gears here and talk about the retail investor, and we've seen certainly a boom come to the market. And Interactive Brokers, well, all the brokers have benefited from that wave of retail investors, has really not been the home of the retail investor per se. And I'm wondering if this mobile app that you're launching is an effort to further attract them. They may be put off by the interface and the graphics may not be so friendly, et cetera.
Well, so Interactive Brokers customers proactively analyze the markets, and we provide them with a lot of information and data and a variety of research and trading tools to help them achieve their objectives. So we have a very feature-rich platform that often scares away people who are not used to, who are not experienced self-directed investors. So this is the reason why we're introducing this very, very simple interface, Global Trader. You can download it from the Apple Store in a couple of minutes, open an account, and begin trading. It is also useful for people who are on the go and we just want to quickly check on their account or do a quick trade. And in addition, there is a wonderful path here for people to learn about the platform and trading as beginners, and they can go to different levels of sophistication on the platform. So this is something that should appeal to people who previously thought that Interactive Brokers was only for professional traders.
Amazon earlier this week, Thomas, as you know, announced a 20-for-1 stock split. And while, the fundamentals of the company don't change, it really makes it much easier for investors to trade options. Contracts are cheaper. And I'm wondering if you expect a boom or any sort of benefit from this. And we've seen a number of companies do this. And what have you seen? Because theoretically, the idea is that maybe new people come in to trade the options on this stock.
Well, certainly some new people will come in, but option volume on Amazon certainly will explode as a result of this. And it's a good thing for the options industry and for brokers like ourselves, definitely.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.